Kani kadega Batesi TV, bat pidang pet yaki kubor baman kasni, balwan rasha pi da ka Orange Nissan, lom so po niya Fabricate Shillong, ringkat bat ka BDW International School Nongmansong, Langkarding Shillong. Admissions open now.
Menteri Rangba Kejala Konrad Kongkal Sangma haka arpenyotrek mentau benai rempang arhajar arpau. Ula pensyai bak Sorkar Jela, kelah Twad Jingmut Shwa nak Tnat an jong Sorkar, Shwa ban ujor yakarai jong Meghalaya Lokyukta. Kabala terwa ban toket da ka CBI. Halor ke isu ti dawyong bian. Hak jegran berkinong patai khobor Menteri Rangba Kejala ulaong. Bak Sorkar kamsyam melasong klikti ne supekkai ban pentikna bekinu-kinu ki badan kti. Hak bak hitu yu dawyong nak Kejala kingat hak jing pensistem kat kum kaan. Kani ke jing pensya jong Menteri Rangba Kejala kalong hadien ke jing keno badang sen. Da unong yalam jong ke liang Pyrshah hak ying terbar tau an Kejala u Dr. Mukul Sangma u bala dawa nak Sorkar Jela bakadai ban weng no mardor ya ke jing ujor Pyrshah ya ke rai jong ke Meghalaya Lokyukta kabala terwa ban patoket CBI halor ke isu dawyong bean bat ubala ongru ba ke jing penslam jong ke Sorkar Jela ban pelong ya ke jing token kadai tang ke boit ban pendo lot ya ki sakhi sabot kaban plelat ya ki ba suba don kti bat lat da ke basong.
We are following a proper legal process, and all the actions that have been taken are based on proper legal advice that's been given by the EG and by the law department. So therefore, wherever we have found that there may be some concerns that are there, so we have ensured that based on that only we have taken the steps. So therefore, all our actions have been based on proper legal process and with proper legal background. We've seen the different points that are there. So therefore, all those points, if you go through it, you will find that there are many areas where there are provisions are not in line with the Lokyukta office, in asking certain things. So therefore, based on those provisions only, that petition has been placed, that that the Lokyukta laws and the rules that are there don't permit certain aspects that have been mentioned in the different points mentioned by the Lokyukta. No, the process is on, and the process is on. I think there should not be any concern from opposition, because I think during that time they didn't even want to put up the Lokyukta chairman. So I think it's, I don't think they should raise any concerns about that. When earlier they took years and years to just put up the chairman, we did not even take a year and a half, and we put up the chairman. Just shows the commitment that we have towards it. So the process is on. I don't think the opposition should mention about it. They should realize that during that time they did not even put up the chairman at that point. You see, government has nothing to hide in this. If there is a need for it, we will, and we are examining the matter. The Chief Secretary and the AG and I had a meeting yesterday, and I think within a day or so you will see some results. No, as I said, this is not to do with anything to do with any kind of facilitation for any individual or cartel or whatever they may say. We are simply going into this petition because the provisions under the Lokyukta is what we felt was not being followed, and therefore the petition that we're putting is in regards to that. It has nothing to do with any kind of any issue with coal mining as such. So that's number one. Number two, we have nothing to hide and nothing to kind of worry about. If inquiry needs to be put in, we will instead put an inquiry even at our level or at whatever level it's required.